Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1962 Pontiac Catalina. This is a Super Duty tribute. It is not a real car. It's just a baby doll, guys. Great car. I originally bought this car down in Florida a few years ago. Sold it to my buddy Mark, who's right up the road here. Unfortunately, he lost his one of his storage facilities, so I actually had to buy this and two others that he bought from me. Great car. Did not want to sell it. Unfortunately, like I said, he lost his storage spot, and so he had no real place to put him. But great car, man. This is just a fun car to drive. He said everywhere he took this car, people went nuts. Those are all decals. If you don't like those will come right off. They're not paint, they're decals. The car is finished in bright silver metallic. The paint code for it is in the documents we got when I bought the car. Then it has all new tri-tone, beautiful interior, the two-tone blue with a white. Great car, man. Has a 405 horsepower, 389 cubic inch engine underneath the hood. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. I mean, there's not a whole lot you can really even pick at on the car. Car's a great car. Little stone peck there. But look how nice that paint is. Killer car. 4-speed manual transmission car. Nice and tight. Drives out great. Look how nice the dash is in there. Gorgeous silver metallic paint. Look how nice all the trim is. I think the resto now is about 15 years old on the car. When I bought the car down in Florida, he said there were not very many miles. I'm going to guess he said a couple thousand miles on the car, so the car hasn't been driven a whole lot. And I know Mark didn't put a ton of miles on it. I know he took it to a couple car shows here locally. Look how nice this stuff is. Pretty car. Nice and straight down the sides. Those are Pie-Crust cheater slicks, they're called. The company makes those. There's a receipt in there for them. I thought that was pretty cool. There is a touch-up mark there. If you're gonna pick anything, that's really what you're gonna pick on that car. This car is really slick. Steel wheels. They have converted it to front disc brakes. Killer car. Again, 389 cubic inch engine. He said it's 405 horse, dual Carter AFB 4 barrels, polished aluminum intake. It does have a flamethrower HEI distributor in it, and it has ceramic ram air exhaust manifolds on it. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, power steering, power disc brakes, 4-speed manual trans. Nice car. Again, it has been converted to disc brakes. Yeah, I picked it up at his place yesterday and drove it back. I mean, this car just drives out awesome. Great car. Door seams are clean. I love this interior. Factory bench seats, got a hearse shifter. Headliner looks good. It's got an old vintage tach in it. I thought that was cool. 69,482 is supposed to be the original mileage to the car. Parking brake works, aftermarket gauges work. There's a radio, it's a radio delete car, but there is a radio in the glove box and it does work. Parking brake works. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust with electric cutouts. You see the jacks in there, the spares in there. The booklet goes with it. That's on the restoration. There's also PHS documentation on the car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. And all this stuff goes with it. Receipts, stuff like that. All that stuff goes with the car. Clean underneath. Again, just a good car, man. Somebody is going to have a blast with this thing. How nice. I mean, this stuff's all new. I think SMS is where they got it from. There's a receipt in there for it. Seats are all repadded, refoamed. Again, there is a aftermarket radio in there and it does work. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, just a little sweetheart. Really neat car. Choke works. Nathan's opening up the cutouts right now. Tach works. And gauges up there work, and like I say, gauges down there work. Blower motor works. The radio, but it's working. Like I say, blower motor works as well. Couldn't get the wipers to work. We'd have to check on those. There's a wiper motor in there, but didn't kick on with the switch. Yeah. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us, guys.